Okay, I'm about to head into the gym for the first time since Jetta's diagnosis. So I guess it's been almost a month, just under a month. Definitely feeling like soreness in my neck and shoulders from not stretching as much, from not exercising as much these past few weeks. So I'm ready to go in and stretch and exercise and try to get into some semblance. I can't even say I'm going to get into some semblance of a routine right now, because every time I have gotten into some semblance of a routine since having these last two babies, something has happened that has fundamentally required that I be willing to change that routine. So that is just the season of life I am in, and I am accepting that that is the season of life I'm in for the time being. Routines are incredibly helpful. Structure is incredibly helpful. And also we have to be flexible. We have to be able to live an integrated life that allows us to ebb and flow and bend with the things that we need. So let's go into the gym. Wish me luck. I'm going to do this thing. I think it's going to feel really good. Every single time I go to the gym afterwards, I'm like, oh, I'm so glad I did that. It feels so good. It is not just for my health. It's for me, right? Like, yes, of course it's for my health. Yes, of course it's for my family, because a better me is better for them too. But it's for me. Like, it feels good. It is such a form of self-care, and self-care is healthcare too. So I'm gonna go in, and it took a lot for me to even just make this video before going in, because it has been on my mind for quite a while now to do some more sharing on here, just like personal sharing, specifically at the intersection of motherhood and mental health. And obviously I'm a mom and I'm a mental health therapist, so sharing just about my life and what I do, and just a glimpse into the day of being a mom, of being a therapist, of being an entrepreneur, of being a wife, of being all of these things that I just am. I take for granted sometimes that people don't know the behind the scenes, and that I don't share as much as I sometimes convince myself that I do. Probably because I'm living in life, right? Day to day, I'm living in what I need to live in and doing what I need to do. And I'm often trying to remind myself to stay present in what it is that I am doing and what it is that I'm wanting to focus on. And I think those are incredibly important and essential parts of living a life that feels really good. And also I want to do this. I want to share more, because I know so many of you mamas, many mamas are struggling. Mamas that are working and trying to navigate work and trying to navigate parenthood and trying to navigate partnership and just trying to navigate all of these things in life. And there's no getting away from the fact that motherhood and mental health, they make such a significant impact on the way that we live our life, the way we experience our lives, the way that we live in our relationships, and how we show up for them. So you can hold me accountable. I'm going to be holding myself accountable too. Try to come on here more, even when I'm first thing in the morning, wake up and headed to the gym with face, whatever, being whatever my face is. I don't even have a description for you. So there we go. Bye, y'all.